I will share the 3 essential years everyone needs to know. But first, a brief word. I'm Marshall Masters, author and publisher of Surviving the Planet X Tribulation. There is strength in numbers. My first live observation of Nibiru was via an HD webcam on December 26, 2012. It inspired me to organize an observation team and to write this book. My 7-man team and I made hundreds of observations for about 3 months, more than enough to create an orbital model for the Nemesis mini-constellation, or what is more commonly referred to as Planet X. This is Nemesis's orbit around our Sun. It is a brown dwarf companion to our own Sun, and it is in a comet-like counterclockwise orbit, where its north pole always points towards our Sun. Nemesis is the core of a mini-constellation, with 3 major planets and various satellites. Nibiru orbits Nemesis and is its 3rd and outermost major planet. In 2013, the Nemesis star was still below the ecliptic, the plane of our system. On the other hand, planet Nibiru was found above the ecliptic in our northern skies and was visible from the live Turrialba volcano webcam feed originating in Costa Rica. As of mid-2024, Nibiru is in its perihelion phase. This is where it is closest to our Sun. Sadly, we will experience severe global natural disasters in the post-perihelion phase. The danger will end after the Nemesis mini-constellation is well into our southern skies. Now let's watch the model work as I share the backstory. Our 7-person team recorded hundreds of observations using the Turrialba feed for nearly 3 months before the U.S. State Department suppressed us, ending our study. However, we already had enough observations by then to build a successful model, the one you now see before you, and we got it right the first time. What is my book Surviving the Planet X Tribulation about? It's about explaining what is coming to others gently and compassionately in a way that avoids the negativity of fear-based behaviors. I wrote this with faith leaders and influencers in mind, offering a gentle and comprehensive immersion into the topic. The aim is to prepare for cooperation, not confrontation. To learn more about my books and to read my articles, please visit yowza.com. That's YOWUSA.com or marshallmasters.com. And with that, let's look at the 3 most important Planet X years you'll need to know. The first important Planet X year you need to know is 2020. This is the year the Nemesis mini-constellation, more informally known as Planet X, crossed the ecliptic into our northern skies. This was confirmed with this July 4, 2020 satellite image of Nemesis leaked by White Hats. It reveals the many planets and satellites in orbit around the Nemesis star. The second important Planet X year you need to know is 2024. This is the year Nemesis reaches perihelion, its closest distance to the Sun. Also in 2024, the topic is becoming more mainstream, as each day more people observe Nemesis in the sky. Hopefully, people will start to realize what is coming and organize to save as many lives as possible, because from this point on, Earth is in the danger zone. Thus far, 2020 and 2024 observations confirm that our orbital model created in 2014 based on our 2013 observations is consistent and that unpleasant times are at hand. 2030 is the third Planet X year you need to know. In 2030, Nemesis will be below the ecliptic and in opposition to Earth, which is when the pole shift will occur. And woe to the unprepared. The pole shift will be devastating, and the sad thing is that our government has been observing the Nemesis mini-constellation since 1983. So what does this cost us? It cost us a half-century to prepare, and now the clock is ticking on our last window of opportunity.